Welcome back guys, GTA RC here, Ground to Air RC. The sun's finally going down. It's been ripper stinking hot here lately. Haven't been able to do any videos for some time. As you can see, lots of dead grass. I don't really want to run the risk of crashing one of these and starting a fire, so being Mr. Responsible, I've held off for some time, but it's about 29 degrees now. End of the day. If you're here because you've just seen the build, welcome. Need to keep an eye out for snakes. Might jump up on the mound up here, find somewhere to launch. Got the AVATAR Goggles X, completely bog stock factory. I do have some patch antennas to trial out on this, so I'm just going to see how we go with the 4 factory stubbies, and I'll do a bit of comparison later on. Got the MEPS flight controllers, MEPS ESC, the MEPS motors. These are the two 5.5 ripper smooth little units these are. So everything you can see here guys, they're all the links down below, so if you could have a visit on the MEPS site there, grab yourself a discount. Super easy, just punch in GTA, job's done, save yourself some money, and that's also in addition to the sale that's on at the moment. So check out all those links, that'd be much appreciated. Don't go just yet. I'm going to fly over there and I'm going to see how this bird actually soars. Nice little launch rock there, so stick the quad on that. Let's plug it in, put the goggles on and lock in some GPSs. Hopefully it won't take too long for me to lock in some satellites. You know, around here for some reason it's taken a long time in the past to lock in satellites, but got a really nice Walksnail GPS on there, which tends to lock satellites in really fast. We'll just give it a moment.
A few moments later.
Both the devices are recording. I'm not going to push it too far guys. This is my maiden flight. And like with every maiden flight I do like to make sure nothing's gone wrong with my build. So I just want to do a quick stats run, see how we go. 17 meters, 16, 17, 22 meters. Have a quick run to make sure it's not going to fail safe. I should just turn myself around. I'm running a 5S on here at the moment. It's yeah, it's a good 1.5 years old, so I don't expect to get super duper amounts of power from it. i.e. I'm not going to have a very long flight time. Camera adjustment could be a little bit higher, that's okay though. Walksnail AVATAR versus DJI. I know which one I'd certainly go for. Unless you've got oodles and oodles of money to throw away, I'll be grabbing the Walksnail without a shadow of doubt. Still a bit of a border run here. As I said, the Goggles X I have here, I don't have the patch antenna on. You can get a patch accessory for it, which I don't have on at the moment, but I do have it, so I will do a comparison very soon to see if the patch actually makes much of a difference at all. Oh, she's a little bit wobbly there. Okay. Well, yeah, okay. Like I said, I have just built this, and my first flight. The tune is quite sharp. Okay, I'm going for power. What do you think of the picture, folks? This is the original version of the AVATAR. There is another version you can get. Actually. another version you get, 300 metres away, no problems, lovely house down there. With the twin antennas, just a single antenna version, 200 metres away. Everything's looking pretty nice. I might just cruise down here and come up alongside the road. I tend to stick to the roads on maiden flights in case something happens, then at least I have the opportunity to find out where my quad's gone. 400 metres away, looking pretty cool. Get a bit of altitude, shall we? 600 metres away. They say Avatar is good for around 4 kilometres, so I'm not going to push that today. We'll spin around and start heading back over here. Oh, it's looking a little bit patchy. I am behind some trees here, so sitting close to the ground isn't probably a good idea here. I probably tend to go a little bit further than I should when I do these flies, especially the first flight. Yeah, losing my quad isn't really an option. Okay, I'm up there. We can, I think, do a bit of a penetration test, possibly without running into the trees. I'll fly nice and low through the scrub here. I'm just on top of the hill there, and I am behind those trees. It said 700 milliwatts of power I'm outputting at the moment. I can boost it up to 1200 if I want. Actually don't want to hit anything, do I? Okay, yeah, it's a really sharp tune on this. I do apologise for the shakiness, guys. I didn't think it would be this aggressive. MEPS motors, super smooth, of course. The tune I have on it, though, yeah, my yaw isn't smooth at all. That's really quite aggressive. There's a radio tower, telephone tower over there. Don't fly too close to those. I know it's a bad idea if you're flying analog for sure, or XM Plus receivers, etc., because you'll just fall from the sky. Alright, let's put those MEPS motors to work here and just do some nice steady smooth flow through the trees, shall we? Of course, I'm facing the opposite direction here, so the picture quality is still really good through my goggles. Really nice. Battery is getting a bit low. Oh, this has been a really pleasurable flight, actually. Over the head. And we'll go for a quick scenic look around before we finish up. I love to go exploring down there. So I was flying, where was I before? I was right down over there, but you can see, oh sorry, we're getting a bit shaky again. I'll just sit around where I was. So my line of sight is, yeah, okay, through those trees there. So I was trying to get a shot through all of this scrub. I was down there. Should explain my breakup slightly. Anyway, we're getting low on power, a little bit of wind. Nice flight. I'm pretty happy that my project quad has turned out to be a nice little flyer. Let's find somewhere soft to land. There you go, folks. Yeah, the Volador, little 5-inch little ripper, full of MEPS running gear. Really nice to fly. I would have liked to have got a little bit more distance from it today, but yeah, looking at where I was, didn't really want to risk it. Got some more open spots I can fly at, which I'll I'll temp fade a bit more and take it for a real distance test. Drop us a comment, guys. Let us know what you think. Have you got this gear? Got any questions? And my battery's running flat, and I think we're done. Nice catch. Like I said, guys, links are down below. I do love this frame. 2205.5. Really smooth flight. I'm really looking forward to pushing this thing, seeing how far I can go with it. I think it's going to be a really decent little flyer. Try and avoid the snakes. Drop us a comment, like, thumbs up, subscribe, you know the deal, all that hoo-ha. Much appreciated. See you soon. Bye for now.